So we're finally here. We're finally giving it to a main contractor, and we've got a real clear plan. We've got a contract, and next July this project will be finished, and I'll be really excited to have fantastic new tenants with a great new place to call home. So have a look round. We're just doing initial prelim strip outs because we've got a lot of pigeon droppings, rat issues. So we're doing all that right now. And because Christmas is in the way, this is 2 weeks of down tools. We're going to then in January really start doing the remodeling of the interior. So I'm really excited to show you the full journey. We're going to document this right through it. So make sure you're following on our YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so you can get a reminder when a new update of this happens. But this is going to be 6 new apartments, 29 beds, all en suites, and it'll generate over £200,000 of rent roll a year. I'm really excited to build this. I'm really excited to work with a professional team. I'm also excited to help bring the area up in terms of affordable accommodation. So enjoy.
It's massive, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. So what are these for?
I'll put those on the compound. On the compound goes, it'll be a digital lock. Keep people out.
Yeah, that's much tidier. So where were the rats? Where were the rat stuff? Just in here? Aye. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Have you guys opened there's a latch here? Have you there? There's like there's a trapdoor. We're not been in it yet. Let's have a little look. Oh no, there's another one, yeah. There was just, I thought there was anyway. I thought it was over that side. It might have been that, yeah. So basically you're stripping out upstairs, like in terms of like the dirt, like the pigeon droppings.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it really. Hey, you know this thing here? Is that physically coming out? You know? Yeah. That's just yeah. Cool. Right, if I just had the windows shut.
It's funny, I was in one afternoon, there was about 30 odd in.
Yeah.
We come in the morning, there was only about 2 or 3.
Right. So it was worth blocking them up then?
Yeah, well, the thing is, they're woman pigeons, so they'll circulate. You probably have trouble getting them all together now. So
nesting shit. Oh, what a shame.
They're really white, there's a nice white one as well, like a white silver.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't even think. I just didn't. Well, I'll know for the next one. Yeah. Cool. Right, we're done. Okay, so we're into this project now a few weeks. The boys and girls are doing a great job in terms of the initial strip out, and the upstairs we're going to check out how they're now remodeling to make it the scheme that we want. So have a look. It's nice and tidy, I like to see that. They've got a good health and safety things going on here, but ultimately we've worked with these now a few times. We like the product, we like them, they deliver what we expect, and there's a good communication. So this is how you build up really good relationships with contractors, and it means you can scale with them too. So I'm really excited about doing that too. So let's have a look around again. Hey, welcome, and now we're on for week 3 of this project. Strip out's been done downstairs. First fix, and what I mean by that is electricals have all now been put in place upstairs. The internal reconfiguration's nearly finished. Plasterers are in on some areas where they can start moving on some phases. And downstairs, we're still waiting for planning. So I just thought I'd check in, show you around, because some of you maybe have never done this before, and you might be intrigued to see the different elements that go on. Now this is going to take, we're aiming to get this finished at the end of January, so currently at the start of December. Remember, December is the time when a lot of people slow down because of the 2 weeks of Christmas, so that does put time on. So if you're thinking about a project like this, make sure you factor in holidays. And then yeah, end of January, this upstairs will be completely finished and it'll be ready for our tenants to move in. That's great. Downstairs, we're just going to wait for the planning permission to go through, get the green light, and then we'll crack on with that too. So, and remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you want updates like this all the time on our YouTube channel. And remember, on Instagram, I showcase my daily routines and all things we get up to on a daily basis on Tom Heaney Property on Instagram. See you there.